guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing makeup from Burlington, aka Burlington Coat Factory. This is the final look, and if you want to see how I got this look and my opinions on these new products, just keep watching. I got this cream concealer palette for $3.99. I got this Rainbow Glow highlighter from Bebe. I had no idea Bebe made makeup, but we're about to try this out. It is originally $10, but at Burlington it was $4.99. Here's a little price. But yes, originally $10.99, got for $4.99. This I'm pretty sure is like $16 or $17 because that's how much this powder one was, I think. And then I got this eyeshadow palette that is originally $9.99, but I got it for $4.99. Pricing. But we'll see how these work, because I don't know. It's Peachy Keen palette by M&B. Who knows? I don't know this brand. But to start with, we're going to use this cream concealer palette. So, as you can see, this palette, the cream one, looks pretty much like the powder-ish. I mean, the colors are very different in the light area, like the first one and the last one in the rose, but cream, powder, they're pretty much identical-ish. So we're gonna start with the cream first, taking a little contour brush, and I'm just gonna go with the lightest because I don't know how crazy this is gonna look. So I'm just gonna open this bad boy up and get this on here. So I have all the liquid contour. I mean, I have all the cream contour. Sorry. Now I'm gonna blend it out. Duh. I'm just using little circle strokes to blend it in with. Now I'm going to go over that color with the powder one. Same color as I used in this palette. I'm just going to lightly dust it on top. And I'm going to blend it too. Alright, so I obviously like this. I like pretty much all of BH cosmetics. They all work really well. I haven't used a lot of cream contours, but they're not too bad. They blend out pretty nicely. They're not too like crazy or super hard to like blend. They budge nicely, so they don't just like sit there all glooped up on your cheeks or on your chin or wherever you're gonna put it. I'm not really that good at contouring my nose yet, so I'm not even gonna attempt that right now. I'm still learning that trick, but I think this isn't too bad. Obviously it looks a little more crazy in this camera than it does in my mirror. I like it. Next, we are going to go in with a tiny bit of bronzer, just right over that. So, like I told you guys, I was going to tell you how much I like this about 2 videos later. So, I adore this bronzer. I love it so much. I would recommend this to anybody with a lighter to medium skin tone. It just sits so nicely on the skin. So, I've used it quite a few times off video as well, and I'm like obsessed. I almost like never don't wear it now. I'm always wearing it. And everything I do now, I'm like, oh, I could bronze up a little bit, even though I was never into bronzing before. But for some reason that Bare Minerals bronzer, I'm like so about it. So it is amazing. So if you're thinking about trying a bronzer, and you've never tried a bronzer before, this is a great one to start with. I would recommend it 100%. And it's not too crazy, so it's not like you're gonna like shock yourself to death with it. Like the first one I ever used was really dark, and I was like, wow, I'm really orange. But I'm not orange, which is so lovely. Alright, now we're gonna go in with my favorite new blush, the Fantastic Plastic Pink. Just kind of give my cheeks a little love, so they're not so bare. Alrighty, now we're gonna try this gigantic rainbow highlighter. When I say this thing is gigantic, it's gigantic. I'll show you. I like don't even know how this is like legit to put this whole thing on your face. I guess you don't have to use all of these colors, but it's a pretty big thing. Like, look at that thing. It's so huge. It's crazy. But it's really pretty. Look at all those beautiful colors. And they're so sparkly. So, we're just gonna go for it. Just see what they look like. So I'm gonna take this little brush. I'm just gonna like go back and forth. I'm gonna go under the eye. Well, that's like super, super, super sparkly. If you want a highlight that's gonna blind everyone to death, this is a good one. So hold on, let's see if that's just the top layer, not if you see this, kind of like wiping 20,000 pounds of sparkles off of the top layer. Let's see if you can see that. No, I think I went through here and not over here or here, and it's like darker and then lighter. So we're gonna go more in to the not super sparkly parts. They're still super sparkly, even without that layer of glitter. Extreme glow. So this is pretty. It doesn't blend though as nice as some do. Let's see if I can just mess with it a little bit more. That's pretty. It's not bad. I just don't like how it looks over blush. I always like kind of get a little bit on my blush without even trying. But it's not bad. It's very glowy though. Like you do not need a lot of this product, which is nice. You can glow from miles away. So it's not bad. It doesn't look like a rainbow. So they all just kind of mix into like a gold color. Sorry guys, this isn't going to be a beautiful rainbow for you. It's just going to be gold. It's a rainbow gold highlight. So no rainbow here, just gold. But yeah, it blends alright. It's not the best. And here comes my cat. He has to star in every video. Just can't help himself. Come here. My little petunia. My little baby boy. What a good boy. Look at the you-boobers. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Now, gonna move into this gigantic palette. So there's 32 shades of peach in here, as this thing says. Let's open this little dude. It comes with this weird little spongy thing, and there's a tiny little mirror up there. But here's this palette. It looks pretty. There's a lot of pretty pinky tones, mauve-ish, golds, whites, browns, tans. And this top one looks like it's gonna fall out, but this one here, he's trying to leave. Alright, shall we swatch some of these? Why not? So we'll go with a dark one and we'll see how dark it actually is before I put these on my eyelid. That's that color. It's not bad. Let's see what else is there. Let's do this crazy gold color here. You can kind of see that. Not a lot though. It's easier to see in person, but it's not bad. And then let's see what like a light one looks like here. Can you see that? You can just kind of see it's like sparkliness. Okay, let's put these on my eyeballs. So, I always start with like a really light pale color, and this one seems like it's one of the latest, so I'm gonna go with it. They don't have names, so there's that. So, that's what that color looks like. It's actually not bad. It looks pretty nice. Very, very shimmery. Next, I'm going to take a lovely little fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this color up here. Brown color. Alright, we're going to put that brown color in our crease. See what it does. Calypso! So it's pretty pigmented. Not bad. Calypso, come here. Alright, now we're going to do the other eye's crease. So I put on my matte powder first on the rest of my face. Next, we're going to go in underneath this brown color with that first color I put on my hand. We're just going to go right under the brown. That color actually looks nice. So far the colors are blending pretty well, which is good. Now I'm gonna do my lid. We're gonna go with something maybe not so shimmery. Most of these are shimmery, so it's kind of hard. This appears to be one of two matte colors. So we're gonna put that one in my lid, or on my lid, in my lid. We're gonna put it inside of my lid, on it. So I wanna see how the matte ones look as well. Not bad. Yeah, it looks pretty good, actually. It's pretty pigmented. Those are the colors so far. They're looking pretty good, actually. Next, I'm going to go into my tear duct area with this color up here. Right in here. Give it a little extra sparkle. And then I'm going to go back in with the first color. I'm going to smoke it out under the eye a little bit. And just add a little more intensity. Alrighty. Now I'm going to take my first brush and just kind of blend out a little bit more. So for only $5, I think this palette is worth it. I don't know if I would spend the 10 on it, but 5 isn't bad. It looks really pretty. There's quite a few options in here. You can do quite a few looks with this little palette. It's definitely nice if you like shimmers. If you like more matte looks, I wouldn't buy this because you literally have two to pick from. So if you're about the matte life, do not buy this palette because you will be very disappointed. If you absolutely love shimmery eyeshadows, this palette will 100% be perfect for you because you literally have 30 to choose from. So that's kind of nice. And yeah, not bad. Not my favorite, but it's not bad for $5. I would definitely buy this for $5 again. Maybe 10, but I don't know. Probably just 5. Wouldn't go any crazier than that. So if y'all want to go to Burlington and get some pretty good makeup, actually, why not? There's brushes there. There's a bunch of different kinds of makeup. There's like a million lip glosses. So if you are a lip gloss lover, Burlington is for you. You have like so many options there. It's ridiculous. And I was actually really surprised to find BH Cosmetics there. And there are a few different other things from BH. I just didn't need 20 corrector palettes and all this other stuff. But that's mostly what they have from what I know from Colorado's stores. So bebe makes a lot of makeup too. And who knew? I didn't know. bebe makes a lot of crap, actually. There was like blankets and pillowcases and all kinds of stuff from bebe. I thought they just make clothes. But they make a lot more than just clothes. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish up my makeup. I actually don't feel like doing eyeliner, so we're not doing it. I'm just gonna go with mascara. Let's not take away from the new eyeshadow, right? I also don't love wearing eyeliner without eyelashes just because I feel like it's so bold that I feel like I need eyelashes, and I'm not putting those on today, so I'm just not gonna even do the eyeliner either. We're just going straight to mascara. Now my lippies. I'm just using my London lip liner again. I absolutely love this lip liner. NYX actually makes a lot of really pretty lip liners. I was obsessed with Too Faced, like the perfect lip liners. I was like massively obsessed. And then where I worked, stopped selling them, and I don't even think they're made anymore. So it's like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna use now? this is the end of the world for my lips. And then I found NYX lip liners. They're not the same, but they do help hold your lip colors on really nicely. So just like the Perfect Lip ones, like I've always done in all my videos, I do my whole lips to make the lips stay better. So it works well with that, which is nice. It doesn't come off really easy like some do. And I'm not a huge fan if they're like a drier lip liner. They have to be more creamy. So I like them because they are more creamy. They're not super dry like some are. So if you're looking for lip liners, they're really good. This is just Chi from ColourPop. And now I'm gonna sculpt my lips like always. And if you guys don't already have a lip brush, I would totally recommend one. They are amazing. They're so good for just a little extra shit to your lips so that your lips aren't like a hot mess. Like sometimes, you know, you'll do your lips and like they're out of the lines or like all bumpy and weird or something. That definitely helps just diffuse all of that, which is so lovely. But yeah, alright, so this is the overall look with everything. I actually like how this eyeshadow looks in this little box that I can barely see. But in this mirror, this is weird for me, no eyeliner, and it's still popping. These eyeshadows are actually really pretty. Like they do like blend nicely, they look nicely. Hopefully they don't crease. I don't think they will. That's why I do like that whole cover your whole eyelid with one color first. It's like my way of priming my eye because I don't need 20,000 primers on. I might try one eventually. I have a few that I like will rarely use, but that's why I cover my whole eyelid too, because it's amazing for eyeshadow to not move because it just clings on to itself kind of thing, like the other eyeshadow. The cream contour looks really nice, like all finished now, like it blended out beautifully. And then that highlight is poppin', like straight up you can see it really well. It's just not a rainbow. So if you buy that and you're expecting a rainbow, you're not going to get a rainbow. You're going to get the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So sorry, that's what you're getting. I love it all. It looks beautiful. I'll have to try it a few more times, like I always do, because I want to make sure I actually like it and it's not just like, it looks good right now, but it sucks later, so we'll see. And then I'm going to set this real quick with my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And I always eat those. I don't know what it is. I always inhale them. Anyways, so that's the final look. My opinions on those new products. Check out Burlington if you want some pretty good, cheap, really cheap makeup. I literally bought all of that for like 14 bucks. How bomb is that? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you. Restart. Cut. Action.